Hello, Half Full Monty here with my next video. This is a kind of a review, and it is for a Coleman bench. It's in the living collection. It is 42 by 23 by 26 inches. You can see that, which I'm going to have to call BS on that. But anyway, it's made out of canvas. It's like a folding chair. It works just like a folding chair. Now here's the clincher right here. Is you have to do pretty much a squat to get up out of it, because it's 13 inches from the seat to the ground. I don't think it's 13. Wooden handles on it. It's got rollers. The roll seems to be put together halfway decently. It's got a locking mechanism right here, so it locks over that screw right there. It looks like these armrests are riveted in. This is aluminum. It's very lightweight. This is a, if you can make that out, I think that means don't stick your fingers in there. Focus, or there. When it folds up, see if I can do this and film at the same time. Hold on. Okay, this is what it looks like folded up. See, it's got the handles. See if it's got any more specifications on it. It says it's for 2 people. Made in China, of course. I don't know if 2 full-grown adults. I don't know if you want to try that. It'd be like putting 2 grown adults in a folding aluminum lawn chair. So anyway, it works okay. It's kind of low to the ground. It's very light. Could save you from taking 2 chairs, but it ultimately will take up the same amount of space, I believe, as 2 of your old style folding chairs. But anyway, there you go. Coleman's always done right by me. I've had things show up damaged. They have made it right quickly, and they usually ship out pretty quickly, and they also have deals. This thing here, you get it like on Amazon for like 99 bucks, but I think I got it from Coleman direct. They had it on sale and I think it might have been like $68. Don't make me swear to that, but anyway, there you go, the Coleman love seat folding chair, camp chair at full money out.